Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to print a specific selection in Google Chrome without printing the entire web page. This is incredibly useful when you only need a portion of an article, a few paragraphs, or specific information from a lengthy document. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Google Chrome browser on your computer. Once Chrome is up and running, navigate to the website containing the content you want to print. This could be a news article, a blog post, or any web page with text you need in physical form. Now, here's where it gets interesting because Chrome actually gives you two different methods to print your selection, and I'll walk you through both so you can choose whichever feels more comfortable for you. Let's start with the first method. To begin, you'll need to highlight the specific text you want to print. Simply click and hold your mouse at the beginning of the content you need, then drag across the text, sentence, or paragraph you want to select. You'll notice the text becomes highlighted, usually in blue, indicating it's been selected. Once you've highlighted your desired content, right-click directly on the highlighted area. A context menu will appear with several options. From this menu, click on Print. This action will open Chrome's print dialog window with your selection ready to go. From here, simply click the Print button to send your selected content to your printer. This method is quick and straightforward, perfect for when you're already using your mouse. Now, let me show you the second method, which gives you a bit more control over the printing options. Start by highlighting the text again, the same way you did before, by clicking and holding your mouse, then dragging across the content you want to print. Instead of right-clicking this time, press Ctrl and P together on your keyboard. This keyboard shortcut instantly opens Chrome's print dialog, which is a faster way to access the print settings. Once the print dialog appears, look for the More Settings option and click on it to expand additional printing options. In these expanded settings, you'll see a checkbox labeled Selection Only. Go ahead and check this box. This tells Chrome to print only the text you've highlighted rather than the entire web page. Finally, click the Print button to complete the process and send your selection to the printer. Both methods achieve the same result, so choose whichever workflow suits you best. The right-click method is great for mouse-heavy users, while the keyboard shortcut approach is ideal if you prefer faster navigation. You've now mastered printing selections in Chrome, saving paper, and getting exactly the content you need. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.